I'd like to share with you a personal experience. Years back, we, as in a group of chartered accountants, were at Bangalore. And when we were at Bangalore, we got an opportunity to meet and interact with Mr. Narayan Murthy. Mr. Murthy is the co-founder of Infosys, which is one of the most successful IT companies in India. During our interaction, Mr. Murthy shared a very interesting detail of the work culture at Infosys. Mr. Murthy told us that at Infosys, and I quote him, that at Infosys we live by the saying, "In God we trust." Everybody else brings data to the table. Unquote. What is it that the governance at Infosys is communicating to the senior-most management over there? Well, said Mr. Murthy, anybody and everybody who enters this boardroom and who believes that they have a point to make, that is, if you believe that your methods can help us earn a larger market share, or your strategies can help us reduce costs or increase our bottom line, then support your contention with data. If you don't do that, then sorry, we are not going to trust you unless, of course, you are God. In God we trust. Everybody else brings data to the table. Sir, I believe that our new product must be priced at USD 1100. Why do you think so? Sir, because this is my gut feeling. Sorry, but the organization does not run on anybody's gut feeling. If you have the right data for the transaction, then you win the transaction. Else, you lose the transaction. At Infosys, he said, at Infosys, we live by the saying, "In God we trust." Everybody else brings data to the table. This interaction left a deep impact on my mind. That evening, when I retired to my hotel room, I couldn't help reflecting on that interaction. When Mr. Murthy said, "In God we trust," everybody else brings data to the table, did he have a message only for his business managers? Or is there a message for us? Us as in the entire audit fraternity as well. Shouldn't audit opinions be based on a thorough analysis of data? In the same way, business decisions are made. Isn't data in the organization's database an evidence in itself on the adequacy and reliability of internal controls of that organization? Well, thus began a journey in quest of analyzing data to ascertain the reliability of internal controls. In the ensuing sessions, I shall be sharing with you several memorable leaflets from this journey, along with the skill sets that it takes to become an accomplished audit and forensic data analysis professional. I do wish that you shall have an enriching learning experience.